2020 Leland Hardy bringing to you live here at Top Glove, TG Medical USA, the world's largest manufacturer of disposable medical use gloves. Here with one of my people who's the most helpful individual ever. Straight up from Malaysia, speaks Mandarin fluently, so all our business dealings of course are in Mandarin. Speak Mandarin with native fluency. I read, write, and speak the language. So we're going to just take a quick short tour of the facility. Just completed consummating another emergency transaction to deliver multi-millions of pieces of their top gloves to a major city in need of the material. I'll likely be accompanying the truck when it delivers the goods. But now we're just received a call from Canada where someone's just asked me to deliver to the government 2 million boxes of gloves, which would be 200 million gloves. So we're certainly looking to do more business with Top Glove and their wonderful founder and chairman, Mr. Lee Wei Chai, as well as Mr. Hui Sin Lim here in the U.S., who's the executive director. I'm ready to take a quick tour whenever you are, dear.
But the warehouse we cannot take video.
Huh?
Sorry, the warehouse inside we cannot take video.
Make sure.